completion. In completion we have protected back cover, adapter for charging, and Type-C cable. Okay. Now talk about device. Device made of plastic, triple camera on the back side. On the front side display 6.7 inch. On this side power key warm keys. On this side slot for nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. Upside speaker, downside second speaker, Type-C port, and headphones jack. Turn on device. System. About device. Okay. Close this. We have IPS Full HD Plus resolution display. And open the my game Guitar San Andreas. We have CPU Helio G37 octa-core processor and power rear GPU. Okay, close this. Look, benchmark score. Guitar San Andreas works very good. Okay, benchmark score. And Antutu benchmark results. Okay, and now I show you photos on the main camera. Let's see this.